Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So upon request, you guys haven't had a tutorial of me curling in a long time. So today I'm going to review the Bio Ionic 1-inch waver, curling iron. I love this, it's my favorite. I'm never gonna use another brand again. The long stick, this doesn't stay hot like all of them do. The colors are beautiful, the black and blue, and I just ordered the 1 1/4, which is my favorite size, but I've been loving playing with this as well. So we did her extensions last week. She had black box eye. You've seen her in my video previously with the teasy lights, 15 years overlapped. This is her hair, you guys. Take a look. This is her hair with the extensions. We literally had her hair color a lot higher, but what I did was we went in with permanent color while her extensions were in, and we rooted it down and teardropped it, as you can see, so that it blends a lot better. She had a little bit of breakage in the front, so she wanted to make bangs, but it didn't really work out that way. We did the heavy bangs, so now we're just playing around. It wasn't too bad. We all know damage is possible. I mean, look how beautiful this hair is. 3 bangs, obsessed. We have a level 1, a level 3, and a level 7. So now I'm gonna go in and show you guys how I wave. Just watch along. Okay guys, so I usually don't section the hair at all, but I'm going to because these are extensions. And another trick, since this is an extra bonus for this video, an extra trick is when you have extensions like this and you're curling, to help blend them, take a tape in, like halfway in. Take one like this where it's half in, half out, and do it like that because that's gonna help it blend even better. Even though I'm a true believer in always doing a great job with it straight. As you see, we don't need to curl her hair because it looks seamless. So I take my iron and I go in. I'm pretty quick. I like it to be on the hottest temperature. I get a lot of crap all the time. I go in, I start about right here. I go down, I turn, I tap twice, turn, tap twice, turn, tap twice, turn. Extensions, you gotta be a little quicker, take your time, put the heat down lower if you're beginning this. Then I untwist the opposite way like this. And then I always glide that last inch through, so it helps keep it straight. Now I'm gonna let you guys watch it in a repetitive motion as I do it, and eventually you'll just pick up on it. It's very self-explanatory, you gotta see it to do it. I'm one of those visual learners where I can watch it and do it immediately. If you're doing this on yourself, I was asked by a client to wear a wig and do it on myself to prove that it's not that hard, since I say it's not that hard, but a lot of clients have an issue with it and I always mess with them. But I'm gonna wear a wig, you guys, and if anybody takes that idea, I had it first, I just said it here. I'm gonna wear a wig and I'm gonna do it on myself as if it was you guys and show you how to do it from your own personal self at home in the morning or whatever. It's always easier to do it on somebody else. Like I said, I usually don't take sections. I'm just doing that because she has extensions and I want to show you guys in different sectioning. Also, don't take too much hair. Even though you have a long, tall barrel, I only take about that high the most.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools.
And another thing, if you've been thinking about getting extensions, let me tell you guys, it is a lot of money up front for the hair, but you want good quality, and it's worth it, right babe?
It is.
So she's in love. We did 3 bags of tapes just to get her started and see what she liked and whatnot. Obviously it's a little itchy, she gotta get used to that, but other than that, she loves it. She gets compliments. And another thing you guys should know is that I know it's a lot of money for extensions, but with that lot of money also comes low maintenance, because honestly, I curl her hair today, it will be curly in 5 days. It holds curl way better than our natural hair, even though it is human hair. I don't know why or the science behind it, but it's amazing.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young.
All right, we're on our last section. Tap, 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 tap. Hold. And another thing, don't go too close to the root, especially the top one. Now, her hair's shorter, so if you get pieces like this, it's okay to go in. But with the top row, I like to just bend once or twice and kind of mend it into the hair. So that one didn't take very well. I'll do it again. Twist, slow it down a little bit, twist, and then let it loose. And let this one loose as it goes down with it. It's okay if the top layer of their natural hair is not curled that much. You don't want it to be that curled on the top, because then it's gonna look too curly at the top and not look like a wave.
Forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin?
Guys, so we finished up. Now look at these beautiful, beautiful beach waves. You can't deny how beautiful that looks. And now I'm gonna turn this light on and show you guys a little bit of ring light action. Look how gorgeous that is, guys. You can't deny that. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Gorgeous. Look at that permanent root, even though permanent's usually more harsh. It is, but we wanted that opacity. I don't even know if opacity is a word, but it sounds good. And this looks seamless. And like I said, I'll show you again right here, straight.
Shattered, singing along to nothing matters.
And now I'll also show you with it curl. So this is beautiful. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this tip works for you guys. Extension hair will hold for a while, so I'll have her send a video in about 5 days. It loosens up every day a little bit, but they sleep with a big braid with a silk pillowcase, and it will just hold it a little bit better. It's not gonna be this tight, but it will definitely be there and get looser throughout the day. Usually 5 to 6 to 7 days is when you have to do it again. I love it, she loves it, and I hope you guys love it and learn something. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now. Thank you.